Good evening, I'm John Carter and welcome to Poland Daily. The Citizens' Coalition candidate for Senator, MP Krzysztof Brejza, is setting off on an election tour accompanied by his party companion, Adam Szłapka. The tour will bear the hashtag #StrongTogether. The slogan, however, is controversial as there is an online community with the same slogan, infamous for hatefully targeting Law and Justice Party politicians.
Anyone who wants to support the campaign of the Civic Coalition Party can contact us. We run a hotline. These are the most important elections since 1989. The elections for everything. For a dozen or so weeks, maybe a little more, there was a Strong Together hashtag circling the internet. Today, at the conference of the members of staff of the Civic Platform Party, it turned out that this was planned by the Civic Platform, endorsed by Krzysztof Brejza and Adam Szłapka. The content associated with this hashtag is not only outrageous, but also vulgar. Krzysztof Brejza can certainly count on the support of his voters. We have evidence of this in his electoral district. He is very well liked and respected. His campaign enjoys a very large social response precisely because it tracks scandals, takes note of them, and effectively proves any violation of the law. I appeal to everyone, let's be careful what we write on Twitter, regardless of who we like. Anyone can read this. Let's think about what we're writing. Let's not hurt others. Write the truth.
The Law and Justice Party wants to have a debate on changes to the immunity for members of Parliament. Law and Justice politicians have emphasised that this is not entirely about removing immunity of MPs, but about assigning it strictly to parliamentary work.
There is merely a limit on hiding behind the immunity and avoiding punishment for any other crime. The MP who is doing his or her parliamentary duties will continue to be protected by the immunity. We do not see any reason why a member of parliament who, for example, steals something in a store, let's say a receiver or anything, should be protected in a special way. For abolishing the immunity of MPs altogether, we want to limit it, say, to a part of the MP's activity or any other function which now comes with immunity, to the area strictly connected with their job, their official activity related to that function. For the MP, for example, their activity in Parliament.
The current tenure of the Polish Parliament is nearing its final month, and it has been a remarkable one. The drama provided by the so-called total opposition has often led to deep divisions and tension among politicians. December 2016 brought the Parliament to a standstill when opposition politicians decided to execute a blockade of the same in order to perform a coup d'etat. Here is an assessment of this heated tenure.
Rapid escalation of political tension has undoubtedly translated to the flow of work in the Sejm. As informed by the Sejm Information Center, the members of parliament spoke from the lectern almost 42,000 times during the 86 sessions. These speeches often caused tension and other behaviors which were all but parliamentary. An implosion of Polish parliamentarism, certainly an attempt at limiting Polish parliamentarism by the ruling party. Today, I am not even convinced that after these 4 years we live in a state where the parliament has oversight over the government. Today we are living in a state where the ruling bunch and the Law and Justice notables are out of any supervision. They control the government, not the democratically elected parliament. This is certainly odd that the place created for debate is changing into a place to merely proclaim things. Law and Justice Senator Jan Maria Jackowski believes that this parliament tenure was very good for the Poles, considering the pioneering and fundamental projects and social programs that were initiated within the last 4 years. There were no substantive discussions coming from the opposition side, just an attempt at guerrilla tactics. They only questioned democratic election results and tried to deprive Poland of the ability to rule a sovereign state. The parliamentary statistics show that members of this parliament filed 1,324 legislation projects. During 86 sessions of the Sejm, 893 of those were established. This is an increase in the effectiveness in comparison with the previous tenure of parliament that had 1,300 projects with 752 established.
The official premiere of the film, Legiony, is taking place tonight. The big-budget Polish production is set between the years 1914 and 1918 and tells the story of Poland regaining independence after 123 years without sovereign statehood. Producers of the movie have stated that it's the biggest Polish production since Miasto 44, which portrayed the 1944 Warsaw Uprising, and say it was created using state-of-the-art modern technology, with battle scenes Polish cinematography has never witnessed previously. The film hits cinemas on Friday.
Фамилия Król. Место рождения Polska.
The producers of Legiony had the challenge of portraying the seemingly impossible motivation of Polish heroes fighting for the country's independence, along with the internal struggles of everyday life at the time.
Bardzo mi zależało, żeby uzyskać taki balans między
It was important for me to find a balance between two opposite elements, love and war. They seemingly cancel each other out because it's hard to love during war, as well as fight while being in love. It was difficult to capture that, but I believe we succeeded, and the audiences will see and appreciate that balance.
To było bardzo jakieś takie zajmujące i trudne.
The fight wasn't only on the screen. Everyone engaged in the production fought to bring Legiony to an end.
A motywacją moją było zrobienie takiego
My motivation was creating a film about young Polish boys and girls who do what I call modern patriotism, meaning they believe their fate and dreams are intertwined with the freedom and well-being of their country. They want to live in a free Poland because only in a free country they can fulfill their dreams.
swojej ojczyzny.
Byliśmy niewolnikami 3 cesarzy, ale my mamy w dupie cesarzy. Jesteśmy wolnymi ludźmi.
Film hit cinemas on Friday, September 20th.
That's all we've got time here for this evening. Thank you very much for joining us. I'm John Carter. Stay tuned after the break for Poland Daily Weather. It's followed by the business, then it's the culture, history, and finally the travel.